was a name that was moving yesterday late. And that beautiful trend trying to rally back here. I don't know if that trend will continue today, but there are some buyers coming in. HJLI, INSY, both are extending. INSY so far 10-cent range. It's 25% range on stock price. HJLI, decent buying. It's throttling down a bit. It's at 35,000, 52,000 here. INSY is probably trading at millions. Yeah, millions based on their stock price. And moving on up, ladies and gentlemen, INSY starting to extend. Keep a close eye on it. It's already created an intraday high and extending on that. Pre-market high was at 34 cents, so that's their breakout zone. It's pretty clear if we look at BLIN, $4. That's a pretty critical price. So you're either going to buy in low and run it up to $4 and consider taking your profits, or you're waiting for the breakout above that level, and it may be quick. All right, but right now what we're seeing is a double top with a very nasty rejection at that double top. Who's in on INSY? I know someone's got a little piece.